Welcome to Connolly Cove, your ultimate travel guide. Today, we're exploring the stunning island of Lefkada, Greece. From breathtaking beaches to hidden gems and more, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. 1. Lefkada's best beaches. Our journey begins with the most exquisite beaches in Lefkada. Get ready to be mesmerized by the crystal clear waters and golden sands. First up, we have Porto Katsiki Beach, known for its dramatic cliffs and turquoise waters. It's a must visit. Egremni Beach offers a long stretch of pristine shoreline and a panoramic view of the Ionian Sea. Mikros Gialos Beach, a hidden gem, provides a peaceful escape from the crowds. Megali Petra Beach is a natural beauty with its unique large rock formations, perfect for exploration. Lastly, Egremni Beach is famous for its water sports and lively atmosphere. Dive into the adventure. 2. Lefkada Lighthouse. Our next stop is the Lefkada Lighthouse. The iconic white tower perched on the cliffs offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes. Don't miss the opportunity to capture incredible photos and soak in the serene atmosphere. Three, hidden gems. Now, let's go off the beaten path to uncover Lefkada's best-kept secrets. Hidden beaches like Amusa and Lefkada are like your own private paradise. It's well worth the exploration. Discover the island's picturesque mountain villages like Egremni, where you can immerse yourself in local culture and enjoy traditional Greek hospitality. And for a truly authentic experience, support local businesses. Take a boat trip with Odysseia and witness the magic of Lefkada from the sea. That's a wrap on our ultimate travel guide to Lefkada, Greece. We hope you're inspired to embark on your own adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button and follow us for more amazing travel content.